asleep. He fell asleep early. Awake. He was awake at dawn. Kind. She is always kind to everyone. Mean. Don't be mean to others. Fix. He knows how to fix cars. Break. He broke the cup yesterday. Agree. My parents agree with me. Refuse. I refuse to drink juice. Awful. The food tastes awful. Delicious. She cooked a delicious meal. Funny. I heard a funny joke. Serious. He looks serious today. Cry. She cries when she is sad. Laugh. The movie made me laugh. Selfish. A selfish person never shares. Thoughtful. She gave me a thoughtful gift. Lazy. He feels lazy today. Active. An active life is healthy. Pass. He passes every test very easily. Fail. He failed the test again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!